Hi guys, this is Penn. I'm a professional photographer based in Edinburgh, Scotland, and I just want to tell you a little bit about a tutorial that I've created. So it's a full tutorial, it's about 3 hours long, and it's all about retouching for portraits. So I've been doing photography for 20 years, but it's only really in the last 10 years that I've taken it a lot more seriously. When I first kind of got really into it, I wanted to learn all about the lighting. So I wanted to learn how to light in the studio, I wanted to use all the modifiers. I was totally obsessed with learning how to achieve different lighting techniques. And I think I kind of neglected the post-processing aspect, so my retouching was a bit rushed. I didn't take the time to understand the techniques. But now I've really realized over the last few years how much of a difference a good retouching does for your imagery. It's so important. It's really how you complete your images. So of course the most important thing is to get it right in camera. But then when we take it into Photoshop, there are so many things you can do to take your image further. So my aim with this tutorial was really to pack as much information as I could into these lessons. It's really a collection of all the things that I wish someone had explained clearly to me years and years ago when I was just confused and clicking on things in Photoshop and just doing everything quite randomly. So really I'm going to teach you how to approach your image methodically and think about all of the steps as ways of building towards the final product. So in this tutorial, I'm going to take you through my entire workflow, but it's not just about my imagery and what I can do. I'm going to use this process to pass to you all the skills, tips, tricks, theory, techniques that I have picked up over the last 10 years. And I'm going to pass them to you guys so that you are going to be able to make your own creative and informed decisions about your imagery. So all the way through the tutorial, I'll be with you in a small box, explaining everything that I'm doing, all the ideas behind why I'm using these particular techniques, and just being your guide as we take our image all the way through the different stages in the process. So if you're interested in learning more, head over to our website, penman.co.uk, where you can see a few more of my photographs and learn a little bit more about myself and my business partner, Jody Mann, and also where you'll be able to access the tutorial. Thanks very much for listening.